So Miss Z requested some lemonade braids, and of course we're gonna go in with our Vivatress braiding hair in 32 inches and color 1B. This braiding hair is not just for kids, but it's also for adults that don't want extra long hair, or if you're gonna do like boho and you don't want to have to cut the hair and feather it. As you can see, I did some individual braids on the side to add some fullness and to prevent tension from happening on the side of her head. She was very specific in requesting a heart on the side, and I was confident in doing so, knowing that I'm using the Vivatress hyperallergenic braiding hair, because as you can see, it's going to be laying on the side of her face, and so I don't have to be worried about any breakouts or anything because Vivatress is skin safe. So little Miss Z kept looking at herself in her phone camera to check if I'm doing her hair properly. At one point, I had to take the phone. And at this point, I'm telling myself, I'm never doing lemonade braids on her again. Y'all could understand why she be getting two braids. Because why is she doing this? Here she goes looking at herself in the phone. I'm sure y'all see the phone. I'm not lying. Oh my God. Y'all, internet niece is growing up. It was a struggle to get it done, but here she goes, smiling away, happy that her hair is done. Don't forget to shop Vivatress at vivatress.usa.com or Amazon or a beauty supply store near you.